Guarantee you authenticity.
Whoa.
All right, let's get back to it.
Hey guys, Jeff here. If you could please hit that subscribe button, it would mean the world to us. Thanks for watching.
I don't really know. I'm not a tool girl. None of this looks particularly good. Very rusty.
Yeah, I think that's a throw out. Maybe
Yeah.
keep, I don't even know.
I don't know what that is.
I would just throw it out. I think it's kind of junk.
Easy one to go. This just looks like a bunch of pictures. Oh, some type of saw?
It's like a, yeah, grinder or whatever.
Okay. Oh, probably worth it. Keep that one. And then
Nail gun, that could be good.
okay. Keep that.
What is that?
Private property.
That could be.
Yeah, if it's
I
vintage, maybe.
would keep that, definitely. Signs do well. Frame looks cool. Or maybe not.
I don't know.
It's very cheap frame. Yeah.
Don't really see any winners in there. Really beat up.
Yeah. More movies.
More movies, a Blu-ray. Sea fight. Random frame. I loved these books when I was growing up. We'll put that in our, I don't know where that box went. We'll put it in there. Huh. Guarantee you authenticity.
Whoa.
Val Kilmer.
Dang.
That could be
That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Witness, and there's a picture. Who is Val Kilmer? Do you know? I actually don't even know who he is.
Isn't he in, was he in Top Gun?
I have no idea. That I would definitely put
Or
aside.
did I make that up? Yeah, he was in Top Gun.
I would definitely put that aside.
He was in the new Top Gun too.
That could be worth a lot, or nothing.
There's like a thing on the back.
Stephen Fish. Oh, that could be a famous.
2010. I don't really know. It could be nothing again, but we'll see.
Whoa. Is that a real, like?
Oh.
Could be. I wouldn't. Yeah,
I'm not getting rid of them. I just don't know.
they could be.
Because they're all the same.
Who knows?
Pins in there too. So we'll see. That
What's
is
this? I found this. Just probably.
quick things.
What is it?
No idea. You could ask me what any of these tools are. I don't know.
Milwaukee Sawzall.
But probably worth something. Tools also sell on Facebook Marketplace. Okay, so there you go. Okay. On to the next box. Camera bag. And it is a camera bag. Video camera. We've sold a bunch of these. These can go for like $100 or so. Handycam Vision. Probably worth $100 or something. Not bad. And with the bag and everything. Pretty good. Probably nothing. Oh my gosh. What's this?
Oh my god. Is it a
Super
Nintendo?
Mario World? Super Nintendo?
Wow.
No cords, but there's a ton of cords we have to go through, so hopefully there's a cord somewhere in there.
Yeah, that's really good. That's another huge score.
That's awesome. I can't believe how many video game things
I
we've
think
found.
this is probably trash.
Anything good in there?
No.
Okay, let's look in here then. It has holes in it. An iPad. I don't really know what to do with those, and they're usually like locked. But it's all this. A bunch of patches. Like clothing patches.
I don't know.
Could be like a lot you could sell.
Yeah.
Not for a lot probably, but
Yeah. That's probably a battery. That's good.
Some tool. Bone Thugs and Harmony, if we have that CD maybe. This just looks like it's just an old photo album. Oops.
Ooh, what is that?
I don't think those are Panama Jack.
Those look kind of cool.
And iGogs. I think we just picked some up of this brand at the garage sale last weekend. So
Yeah.
keep
Worth
those.
looking up.
That other pair was garbage though.
This is one of those tobacco.
No, Lipton's tea.
Oh, I'd still keep it maybe.
No top to it though. More cards. Yeah, that's just a bunch of papers. Let's see anything in there.